Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. My name is Chyna. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about sealant oils versus moisturizing oil. Okay, so before we get started, I would like to say thank you for coming back and watching my videos. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. If you're new, make sure you do subscribe. I hope you do subscribe by the end of this video, or right now you can go ahead and go subscribe, because I have so much videos about looks, lifestyles, or just basically everything. Okay, so if you're interested, if you want, hopefully you do, you can go and subscribe right now. But also make sure that you like this video, you share this video, and you comment down below, anything, any questions or any comment, anything. I always make sure I read every comments and stuff to just make sure that you do leave something, so that that's my way of interacting with you guys. So I really would appreciate it. But anyways guys, so straight into the video. All right you guys, so it's so crazy that I'm doing this video, because you guys, about like a few months ago, I knew nothing about the difference between moisturizing and sealant. I did not even know that was a thing, you guys. Like, I know, I had locks for like what, 3 years, like 3 years and a half, and I'm now getting into it. And you guys, it is what it is. It's life. You learn things as you go along. So yeah, I honestly had no idea that there's different types of oils for different types of reasons. I did not know. I thought all oils were the same, they do the same thing, and you guys, that's not true. That's why my hair used to be so dry, guys. Like, no matter what I did, I moisturize it all the time. I moisturize it all the time. I used all the oils, I leave all the moisturizing products, and my hair would always tend to just be dry all the time. And I'm like, why is my hair always dry? Like, and I remember I did a few videos on why is my hair so dry, and come to find out, I wasn't using my oils properly, and you guys, I'm telling you, once I knew about the whole moisturizing and sealing technique, you guys, that literally changed the game for me. Like, you guys, my hair is no, I mean, it's still like, it can get dry, but you guys, honestly, my hair has never felt so moisturized. Like, I can actually go for like what, 2-3 days without moisturizing my hair, and my hair feels good. Like, if I'm wrapping it up at night and taking care of it like I'm supposed to, like, the moisture will actually stay, you guys. Like, honestly, I'm so happy I actually learned this sooner than later, because it saved me so much time, so much everything with my hair. My hair just looks so much better, you guys, So anyways, so we're gonna get into the video. So I'm gonna start off with the moisturizing oils, and then I'll go into the sealant oils. I have everything on my phone, you guys. I'm not gonna try to memorize these. I mean, I know what they are, but I feel like a lot of the time when I try to memorize things, they kind of don't really, I don't really, like, especially when I'm on camera, I kind of tend to like forget and stumble on them. So I'm just like, let me just read it off, because honestly, we all get information online. Okay, so anyways, okay, so moisturizing oils, what do they do? So basically, moisturizing oils, they are able to penetrate to your hair shaft. So basically, it can penetrate through the hair shaft and to moisturize the hair, and also with those oils, you can also use them in your scalp, like, to massage your scalp, or to just moisturize your scalp. And also, these oils, they're best if you use them with like water-based materials, like, or water-based like leave-ins, or just water in general. Like, for me, I use my moisturizing oils with rose water and what's the word, aloe vera juice, you guys. I mean, those to me, I think are, they're water-based products in my opinion, because so I use those oils with with those products. And honestly, if you don't have those products, you can just use water. Honestly, mix them, because that's what I used to do before I found out that I can use rose water and aloe vera juice. That's what I used to actually do. I used to use water and mix my moisturizing oils with them, you know. So yeah, and it works. So whichever you think works best for your hair, like if you think the water works best for your hair, you can use that. But for me, I really love the rose water and the aloe vera juice, so I kind of combine them, and I in addition I put the oils in it. So now we're gonna go into like the examples of, you know, what are moisturizing oils. So number one is coconut oil. I actually don't have it here with me because I have a few examples here for you guys, but the coconut oil that I have, or that my mom has, that she uses, it's a very big jar. So I'm just like, I'm not about to bring this whole jar here. So, but you guys know coconut oil is probably one of the most common oils that people use to like moisturize their hair, their skin. It's very big for moisturizing. A lot of people use it on their scalp, like like for example, they're doing like a leave-in conditioner. Like if you have like loose natural hair, you're doing like a leave-in conditioner or deep you know, conditioner or whatever, you can use coconut oil in that mixture, because it does help moisturize your hair and your hair and your hair shaft and your scalp. Another one that you can use is extra virgin. This is pretty big, you guys, but olive oil. Olive oil, I would say, is kind of the same as coconut oil. I mean, I honestly I haven't used olive oil that much. I've used olive oil like in a mixture, because I always have like a mixture of oils, but I don't use it all by itself, but I do use it in a mixture, and I believe it does do what it needs to do. It's like on a thicker side, like the coconut oil, you know. Another one is avocado oil. Yeah, avocado oil, I believe, is also it's also a good moisturizing oil that you can use, you know, for your hair or your skin or whatever. But those are really, you know, 3 of the good ones. The other ones that I use in my mixture is also tea tree oil. I love, like, yeah, I love tea tree. Like, tea tree is so amazing. Mostly I use tea tree oils on my scalp, especially if if my scalp is very dry, it's itchy. I always go with tea tree oil, you guys. I put that bad boy in my scalp, I massage it a little bit, put extra oils in there, you massage it a little bit, and you guys, you are good. Like tea tree is not only good for your hair, it's good for your skin. It's good. Tea tree has so much benefits, you guys. So much benefits, not just for your hair, but for your skin, for, you know, it helps with inflammation, for pimples, like, yeah. Tea tree is amazing. But since we're talking about hair, but it mostly helps with, you know, with your scalps and stuff like that. And another one that I also use that I don't have with me right now, you know, and I haven't bought it yet, is peppermint oil. Peppermint oil or lavender oil. Well, lavender oil is more like of a like an essential oil, where, you know, for like, you know, it's an essential oil. But peppermint oil is also a good one too when it comes to your scalp and all that stuff. And I also use that in my moisturizing mixture, and I think it works very well, especially if you're doing like a pre-poo, or if you're doing like a what's the word, hot oil treatment. I feel like those oils will really help with, you know, moisturizing your hair, you know, leaving your hair so soft. All right, so enough with the moisturizing oil. We're gonna go into the sealant oils. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about what sealant oils are. Sealant oils are basically, it's oils that it does not penetrate the shaft of the hair. It basically seals and it locks in the moisture of the hair. Like, it does not moisturize, it doesn't do any of that. It doesn't, you know, penetrate through the hair or the shaft. It literally just lock in and seal in the moisture that you apply. Okay, and and usually that type of oil, it just literally just sits on the hair, you know, it adds like shine and luster. It leaves your hair looking very, very nice. At the same time, you know, it's locking in that moisture so that your hair can actually stay moisturized longer, you know. So I did not know about that at all, you guys. And a lot of people, well, I feel like we've been using, well, not we, but at least me, I've been using it wrong all these years. And sealants are really good, like if you're doing like a twist out, if you're doing like a wash and go, or you know, and stuff like that. Like, you know, as soon as you're done moisturizing and actually doing the braids and stuff like that, the best way for you to seal in, you know, all that moisture, all like everything, you have to seal it in with one of these oils that I'm about to tell you right now. Okay, just make sure that you do that last, so that, you know, it seals it in and locks it in, so that, you know, it doesn't get out. I'm gonna start from like my least favorite, I would say. Not my least favorite, but the one that I don't really use as much, but I should, but I don't really use it as much, is the grapeseed oil. Yeah, the grapeseed oil is a sealant. I would say it's more on the thicker side, but you know, it's not too heavy, but it's not too lightweight either. It like falls in between, I would say. I think, you know, it's a really great oil to seal in your locks. Not locks, hair and locks, like, because this video is really for hair in general. It doesn't have to be locks. It can be, you know, loose naturals and everything. Another one is Jamaican black castor oil, you guys. This thing right here, you already, okay, if y'all don't know what the Jamaican black castor oil is, you are asleep. I need you to wake up, because y'all, this oil is a bomb. And they have so many different flavors. What I call them flavors, because this one is the mango and papaya, and yeah, this smells so good. I mostly add this, like, you know, if I have like because sometimes, like before I started using the rose water, I was just using the aloe vera juice. It left like a very weird smell to my hair when I sprayed my hair and stuff, so I would always go in with this, the black castor oil, the mango and papaya one, and it would leave my hair smelling so good, y'all, like so good. Like, I love this thing. It's a little bit more thicker, so I would say if you use this, I would only use it like a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. And then the last one that I recently, like about what, 3 months ago, I started using, which I love, you guys, the jojoba. I think that's how you say it, jojoba, I don't know how you say it, you guys, but this oil right here, guys, I love it. Like, it's so lightweight. Like, you just put it in your hand, like it feels like you're putting nothing in your hair. Like, it's so nice. It just leaves this really nice shine to your hair. Like, I love this oil. Like, it's a great sealant. Like, I feel like aside from the Jamaican black castor oil, this will be my second favorite, you guys, because it's so lightweight and it's just so amazing. It leaves your hair shine, and I feel like, and I really think that these oils really has changed the game of my locks. Like, because a lot of people ask me, why, like, your hair is so shiny, what have you been doing? I mean, of course I have other things that I do to help keep my hair looking, you know, healthy and shiny, but I think these plays a big part of why my hair is growing so lushly, and it always just looks good most of the time, at least, you know. So yeah, guys, I really thought this video was gonna be a short video, but I went into a little detail for you guys. But I hope this video was very informative for you guys, or at least you guys learned a little bit of something. Or if you did not learn anything at all and you just want to comment on, you know, what do you use to moisturize your hair or sealing your hair, because there's more other oils out there, you guys, and these are not the only ones. These are just the ones that I use personally. Whatever you feel like works for your hair type, your hair, if you feel like, you know, it works for you, just keep on, you know, doing whatever you're doing. But if you want to give it a try, you can, and see how your hair has changed. If you like it, you know, if you think it's, you know, it's a go. But anyways, guys, that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave it down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.